So came to see the 10th anniversary of Love and heard that Paul, Ringo, Yoko, and Olivia Harrison would be here.
I drove from Phoenix yesterday.
I came from Florida. Nina and I have both been personally signed by Paul on stage.
Yeah, they've got their autograph.
Hers is on her foot.
Look, it's on her foot. Here, I'll bring it.
We are psyched.
We came from Boston for this.
Yeah.
But I mean, we know that I'm still listening to Beatles music in my car, you know, like the Beatles, it's such a great phenomenon. It's such a great music, and it's such a, like you'll see, I met with Paul this afternoon. He was there so young, so enthusiastic. He just celebrated his 74th anniversary, you know, and he still have like this enthusiasm and this optimistic state of mind, you know. So it's so good to carry that weight, as they sang. So tonight we want to give the best presentation for Paul, Ringo, Yoko, and Olivia.
Every time my friends come to town, I tell them go see Love. It's amazing, and I can get you tickets. And they come back excited, and the next time they come, they want to go see Love again. Which means that the backup shot holds up. You know, the second time you see it, you go, oh, it is as great as I thought it was the first time, and that's why it's been here for 10 years.
You know, there's always things you can make better, and technology changes, and so we this is like Love 2.0. And you'll go and hear it. It sounds pretty good and pretty pleasant. I mean, I was worried that we weren't the best sounding show on the Strip, and now we're definitely the best sounding show on the Strip.
Yeah, was there a rigorous schedule to get that ready for them?
Oh, I didn't sleep for a month.
Almost 2 years to the day since you announced the making of it.
I guess is that right? Oh my gosh. Well, documentaries take a while, I've learned. This is only my second one, but of course, you know, so many options with the story, so much, you know, and so much footage to go through. You hear a Beatles song just about every day. If you leave your home, there's a pretty good chance you're going to hear a Beatles song. And it always gets back to the remarkable, unique, creative sort of insights and power of those songs.
Have you seen the show before?
I've never seen the show. I'm really looking forward to it.